Good evening. My name is Jonathan Caicedo. I am 33 years old. Let's start. I married my wife 30 years ago. I have two very beautiful daughters. The one is 11 years old, and the youngest is 5 years old. I worked part telecom 8 years ago. My travel experience 2 months ago was in the Nausa Park, a very beautiful place because of the landscapes. In the place you can camp and the fish. Let's start. Describing the weather, which is very cold and cloudy. But when it's the sunny, it is very warm. You have to use sunscreen. The our fears of all you have to go build the tents and make a bonfire. Mm, this so that at night people gather around to not feel too cold. After that, when the afternoon is required to be well clothed, which clothes that keep the body warm, so as now to suffer from hypothermia. When going to sleep, it is necessary to have a good sleeping bag and money to be to sleep comfortably with feeling cold. The after dark we can, if the weather allows it, to do activities like playing soccer and volleyball and hiking with the family. Finally, I recommend that the people who come to this site arrive early to choose a perfect place to camp. To carry many buckets, forget about the technology so that they enjoy unique place. Thank you.